Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how the full procedure of how to make the trimline and cut your aligners with this trimmer. I want to just to remind you that this trimmer is a custom-made 4-axis CNC starting from a common 3D printer. There is a rotary axis here and the spindle mounted here on the bridge of the 3D printer. So let's go back to what we will do today is the design of the trimline on Bluesky. So first of all, you need to know that the model that you 3D print needs to have a locator here on the back part, because when you thermoform your aligners, you have to put first the model on a plate that has the same positioner that you will put on the trimmer. So first thing that you need to do is to take your model and put on the plate that I will provide for sure with the 3D printer, with the trimmer. When you thermoform your model, you will have this result. So the result is the aligner thermoformed, and you will put this one on your plate that will be used for the position of the machine. So in this way, the machine knows exactly where your model is. Okay, now let's go to Bluesky and have a look how I suggest to make the trimline. Okay, now we have our case that we made all the steps. Let's check maybe this case. So from we have all the steps like this. So you make first your case, but what you have to do is in this part. So the when you continue to the next step, if you need to add buttons, you put add buttons. But the most important thing is to check design, aligner, trim, curve, advanced. So let's do this and continue to design aligner, trim, curve. Now we have to design the trim line. So first of all, we need to put the locator. As you saw in my model, this is the locator. So I go here, and when it's written show locator, I select ortho automation add, and this is the locator that we will use for our case and is good for our trimmer. So second part, I will adjust the trim line to be a little bit more scalloped or sculpted. Don't know how is the pronunciation. So project is saving. Okay, now I select this the curve shape and change from 2 mm to 1.5 mm and click on reset curve. So I have a shape like this. As it's 4-axis trimmer, I will not make the inside the mesodistal part too deep. I would prefer to stay a bit far away because the trimming bar is around 1 mm. It's 1 mm, and you will cut half millimeter on the top and half millimeter on the bottom of this of your drawing line. So here is good, here is maybe a bit better. So here on the, as I will show you what I do in my so as my preferences is to just go very close to the last tools because I used to print in vertical. So in this part I will have the plate for my to put on the 3D printer. Here I go always a little bit straight, so it's not necessary to make but always on the top of this of the cut line for the model. Here I also go a little bit close to tooth. In this way the bar will the mill will work better. So here we are. So everything is done, and I think okay. So that's it. So let's pass to the mandible. Okay, now that we have exported all our case on our PC, you can see in the main folder I created one folder for mandible, another folder with the maxilla. Going here, I put all my STL file here to be 3D printed. Then there are these XYZ files that are made to are used to make the Trimline, and then there is this trim folder. This trim folder is the files that are converted from your XYZ that is exported directly from Bluesky Bio, and we need to create the Trimline file to put in the trimmer. Okay, now I put all the trimming file on the USB card, so we can start the trimming this model that is actually the maxilla. So let's start and have a look at the result. Okay, here is our model. So let's maybe we can do this already from the trimmer. Yes. So this is our model trim. So here there is still inside the protective film, and maybe we will take it away. Yes, and actually this is the result. So let's take away the film that is inside. I don't know other way. If you can advise some way to take away, I know just this way. So we will take away the film, the protective film inside, and I think that the result is really cool. So I hope you enjoyed the work of this machine, and I want to thank you all. Bye!